Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. Sure. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Python 3.8.9 on various operating systems along with code examples. Download Python 3.8.9 installer. Visit the official Python website at https://www.python.org/downloads and download the Windows installer for Python 3.8.9. Run the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, double-click it to run. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.8 to path during installation. Verify installation. Open command prompt and type Python version or Python 3 version to verify that Python 3.8.9 has been successfully installed. Install homebrew, if not already installed. Open terminal and run the following command to install homebrew. Install Python 3.8.9 using homebrew. In terminal, type. Verify installation. Type Python 3 version in terminal to ensure that Python 3.8.9 has been installed. Using Package Manager. Use your Linux distribution's Package Manager to install Python 3.8.9. For example, verify installation. Open terminal and type Python 3.8 version to confirm that Python 3.8.9 has been installed. Here's a simple Python script to verify your Python installation. Save this script as verify_python_installation.py, then open command prompt, terminal, or your preferred terminal emulator and navigate to the directory where you saved the script. Run the script using the command. This script will print the Python version installed on your system, confirming whether Python 3.8.9 is successfully installed. That's it. You've now successfully installed Python 3.8.9 on your system and verified the installation. You can start coding in Python 3.8.9 for your projects. Python is a versatile programming language that is widely used for various applications, including web development, data analysis, machine learning, and more. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing Python 3.8.9 on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.8.9 on your operating system. Now you can start writing and running Python code. ChatGPT. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language. Python 3.8.9 is one of the stable releases in the Python 3.8 series, featuring bug fixes and improvements over its predecessors. This tutorial will guide you through the process of installing Python 3.8.9 on your system. Before installing Python 3.8.9, ensure that your system meets the following requirements. To ensure that Python 3.8.9 is installed correctly, you can run a simple Python script or open the Python interpreter. Python interpreter. Run a script. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.8.9 on your system. You can now start building Python applications and exploring its vast ecosystem of libraries and to ChatGPT. Python is a versatile and widely used programming language, and installing a specific version can sometimes be necessary for compatibility reasons. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of installing Python 3.8.9 on various operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Download Python 3.8.9. Visit the official Python website at python.org and navigate to the Python 3.8.9 release page. Scroll down to the Files section and select the Windows installer executable corresponding to your system architecture, 32-bit or 64-bit. Run the installer. Once the download is complete, run the installer. Make sure to check the box that says Add Python 3.x to path during the installation process. Complete the installation. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Python 3.8.9 will be installed in the default location, usually c:\users\your username /appdata /local /programs /python 3.8. You can change the installation location if needed. Verify installation. Open a command prompt and type the following command to verify the installation. This should display Python 3.8.9. Install homebrew, if not installed. Open a terminal and run the following command to install homebrew, a popular package manager for Mac OS. Install Python 3.8.9. Use homebrew to install Python 3.8.9 by running the following command. Verify installation. Confirm the installation by checking the Python version. It should display Python 3.8.9. Open a terminal. Open a terminal on your Linux distribution. Install Python 3.8.9 using apt. Use the package manager for your distribution to install Python 3.8.9. For example, on Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, run. Verify installation. Confirm the installation by checking the Python version. It should display Python 3.8.9. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Python 3.8.9 on your system. You can now start developing and running Python programs using this version. ChatGPT. Python is a versatile programming language widely used for various applications. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of installing Python 3.8.9 on a Windows operating system. Visit the official Python website at https://www.python.org/download/release to download the Python 3.8.9 installer. Look for the section with Python 3.8.9 and click on the link to access the download page. Once the installer is downloaded, locate the file and double-click on it to run the installer. The Python installer window will appear. Ensure that the checkbox Add Python 3.x to path is selected. This option makes Python accessible from the command line. Click on the Install Now button to start the installation process. The installer will show the progress of the installation. This may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a screen with the message Setup was successful. Make sure to check the box that says Disable Path Length Limit to avoid potential issues with long file paths. Click on the Close button to exit the installer. To verify that Python 3.8.9 is installed correctly, open the command prompt and type the following command. You should see a response similar to. This confirms that Python 3.8.9 has been successfully installed on your system. Open the command prompt and type. This will launch the Python interpreter. You should see the Python prompt, indicating that you are in the Python interactive mode. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python 3.8.9 on your Windows system. You can now start writing and running Python code. Remember to refer to the official Python documentation for more information on Python programming and its features. ChatGPT.